ముందుగా నాకు రథసారథి వలె నడిపిస్తున్న మా తల్లిదండ్రులకు మరియు స్టేజ్ మీద ఉన్న పెద్దలందరికీ నా పాదాభివందనాలు. छुआ छू तू ऊंच नीच पेड़ी आज तोड़ी मनुस्मृति के रीढ़ की हट्टिया मरोड़ी जीवन संघर्ष है नाम ही आदर्श है बोलो जय भीम तो होठ को भी हर्ष है जय भीम. This is Mahima, student of law and psychology. Let's time travel. You know time travel? Let's go back before independence, for pre-independence period, right? Is everyone ready? Yeah, let's time travel. So there was the period where Britishers plucked hair of our females. They plucked us out. They ripped our clothes. They beat us. We were bloodshed. Wherever we see, there was bloodshed everywhere. There was no one to question. We can't question because we were the slaves. We were the slaves under Britishers. We were not having freedom to speech and expression. We were not having freedom of privacy, liberty, freedom of anything. We are not even having freedom to life. So whatever all other freedom, we are not having. So that was the situation pre-independence when Britishers were ruling us. So you got the situation right. Everywhere was bloodshed and all those. Then slowly time changed and now came the Bhagat Singh. Pagdi sambal jata pagadi sambal hai. You know that? Tuduk 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 karte inke balle balle. Let's do balle balle for Britishers. So the meaning is let's push away all those Britishers out of India. Let's push them back. So slowly the time period changed. So now we came like Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose. He was traveling whole India. Tanha rahi apni, like saying the presence greatness of India. India is the country which is spread with unity and diversity. Every 50 miles, there's difference in language, difference in culture, difference in tradition, difference in art forms. If you go for Bengali, it's Bengali language, all those pav bhaji, all those. If you go for Andhra, Telangana, dum biryani, pohe of Maharashtra, all those, difference in everything. Like even our languages changes. So this is diversity of our country. So okay, the next time period changed. Now the time period was like, it's the time to draft a constitution. Now came the leader, like you know about B.R. Ambedkar. He's the Indian jurist, professor, lawyer, economist, and he studied in London School of Economics in foreign. So that he was such a great person, like that's no what to describe about his greatness in Oxford Dictionary too. So that's my opinion. So he was the chairman of drafting committee. Like he was handling all the task of presenting draft constitution and answering all the questions presenting on it and making changes according to the constitution. And he made a constitution in such a way that a constitution would be transformative in nature. So that he believed that Eko Devaha Sarva Bhuteshu Gudaha Sarva Rapi Sarva Gudantaratmam. He believes that Indians, no matter how different we are in our color, we may be of white color, black color, brown color, all of those colors, we may be like 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet. We may be of Hindu, Sikhism, Buddhist, like Jain, Parsis, Muslims, Christians, or any of the religion. You may be from Bengali, you may be from Tamil Nadu, you may be from Andhra Pradesh, but you have right to vote. You can vote, you can contest in elections, you have right to freedom, right to speech and expression, right to privacy and liberty. You have all those fundamental rights and all other constitutional rights and legal rights. So no matter how different you are, no matter you're female or you're male, no matter you're transgender, now it's a constitution, it's a transformative constitution. Article 377 is repeal right. So even homosexuals, they have all those rights. Even transgenders have all rights what we're having. So he believed this and gave a constitution. So that's the greatness of our constitution. And I would like to end my speech saying that इस पल में हमें जीना है, हंसना और मुस्कुराना, लेकिन सबको गले लगाना है. कुछ ही तो मान के चलो, कुछ ही तो जान के चलो, लेकिन सबको गले लगाते चलो. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय भीम.